Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve question number 2 and 3 of exercise 9.1. Question number 2 says, write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following pattern. They have given us patterns. We have to observe this pattern and then write the 4 rational numbers which will come after this. So this is different from question number 1. So let us start. First we will observe the pattern. In first number they have given 3 by 5. Second number they have given us 6 by 10. If I multiply this both by 1, I will get minus 3 by 5. Now if you see minus 6 by 10, which I have got it like this, minus 3 by 5. If I multiply it by 2 and denominator by 2, so I will get minus 6 by 10, which is our number. Minus 9 by 15, how I got minus 3 by 5. If I multiply by 3 with denominator and numerator, I will get minus 9, minus 3 into 3 and 5 3s are 15. So I have got the third number like this. Similarly, the fourth number which I got is multiplied by the first number with 4 numerator and denominator. So I got minus 12 by 15. Here we can see the pattern. First they have multiplied 1 by 1, 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4. So what will be our next number? We will write therefore the next 4 rational numbers in the given pattern are, now since it is 4, we will write multiply by 5. So minus 3 by 5, minus 3 into 5 will give me 15 and 5 5 is 25. Then 6, so minus 18, 6 3s are 18 and 5 6s are 30. Then minus 21 divide by 35 because multiply by 7 and 7, minus 24 by 40 and minus 27 by 45 is our rational numbers. Hope you have understood how I have got these numbers. So they have told us to find only 4, so this is the extra one. Now coming to second part. Second part is minus 1 by 4, minus 2 by 8, minus 3 by 12, ... Observe the pattern. First we will write numerator and denominator multiply by 1. We got minus 1 by 4. Let us see if we have got multiplied by 2. Minus 1 divided by 4. If I multiply it by 2, I got minus 2 divided by 8. Yes, it is right. Let us follow the same pattern. Minus 1 by 4. If I multiply it by 3 numerator and denominator, so I will get minus 3 by 12. Same way, so we have got 1 2 3. So can I write therefore the next 4 rational numbers in the given pattern are, now I have to multiply it by 4. So minus 4 divided by 16, minus 5 divided by 4 5s are 20, minus 6 by 24 and minus 7 by 28. Hope you have understood how to observe the pattern and write your answer. Coming to part 3. Part 3, they have given us number minus 1 by 6, 2 by minus 12, 3 by minus 18, 4 by minus 24, and so on. So again, while observing, let me write this as 6 into 1 and minus 1 into 1, which is given as minus 1 divided by 6. Now if I see the second number, that is minus 1 by 6, I have given, we have been given, so 2 is the answer. Here we have 2 divided by minus 12. So here what I will do, I will multiply it by minus 2. So in division also, in denominator also, I will multiply it by minus 2. So I will get minus into minus plus, 2 1s are 2 and 6 2s are 12 minus. Similarly here, if I multiply the numerator by minus 3 and denominator also by minus 3, I will get plus 3 in the numerator and denominator minus 18. Moving to fourth number. Fourth number, how we got? We multiply it by minus 4 and denominator also by minus 4. So we got plus 4 divided by minus 24. This is the number which I have got. So what I will do, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So next number will be minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, which I will multiply to the first number. So I will write like this. Therefore the next 4 rational numbers in the given pattern are it will be 5 divided by minus 6 by 6 into 5 is 30. 6 divided by minus 36, 7 divided by minus 42, and 8 divided by minus 48 will be my answer. Hope you are understanding. Coming to fourth part. Fourth part is like this: 2 divided by 3, minus 2 divided by 3, 2 divided by minus 3, 4 divided by minus 6, and 6 divided by minus 9. First we will observe the pattern. First number which we have got is multiplied by 1, then only we will get minus 2 by 3. Second number, if I see, 2 divided by 3 was our first number, and the resulting answer is 2 by minus 3. So definitely it is multiplied by minus 1 in numerator and denominator, then only we can get 2 by minus 3, because minus into minus is plus and minus into plus is minus. So we have been given, first it is multiplied by 1, then minus 1. Let us move to the third number. Third number, how we got? We have got, the number is having 4 minus 6. So how we got? We will multiply it by minus 2 numerator and denominator. So we will get plus 4 divided by minus 6. Then fourth number, minus 2 by 3 was our original number. Final number is 6 by minus 9. So definitely it is multiplied by minus 3 in numerator and denominator. Then only we have got 6 divided by minus 9. So on observing the pattern, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Next 4 number will be multiplied with minus 4, minus 5 and minus 6 and minus 7. So we will write, therefore the next 4 rational numbers in the given pattern are, now we are supposed to multiply it by minus 4 and minus 4. So minus 4 into minus 2 will be 8 and minus 12. Then minus 2 into minus 5 will be 10, divided by 3 into minus 5 will be 15. So next will be 12 by minus 18 and 14 by minus 20. Sorry, minus 21 here, because it is increasing 3. So this is the question number 1. Now let us move to question number 3. Let me first write it down. So question number 3 says, give 4 rational numbers equivalent to, first is minus 2 by 7. Whenever they have given you this question, give 4 rational numbers or 5 rational numbers which are equivalent to the given number, what you will do? You will either multiply the numerator and denominator by same non-zero integer, or you will divide the numerator and denominator by same non-zero integer. What I am doing, I am multiplying the same non-zero integer numerator and denominator. So I will write, on multiplying, numerator and denominator of minus 2 by 7 by non-zero rational numbers 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively, we get. Now what we will do? We will multiply the number by 2 first, numerator and denominator, then 3, then 4, then 5. The number which we will get, it will be our equivalent rational numbers. So minus 2 by 7, first multiplying by 2 in numerator and denominator, we will get minus 4 by 14. Then by 3 we will get minus 6 by 21. Then by 4 we will get minus 8 by 28, and lastly by 5 we will get minus 10 by 35. So our 4 rational numbers, therefore the 4 equivalent rational numbers to the given number are minus 4 by 14, minus 6 by 21, minus 8 by 28, and minus 10 by 35. So every number, if they want 4 rational numbers equivalent to the given number, every time you will multiply it by 2, 3, 4. You will write this line, you will multiply it by 2, 3 and 4 and 5. If they have asked you 5, so you will write 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Whatever number you will multiply, it is not necessary that every time you multiply by 2, 3, 4, 5 only. It is your take, you want to multiply with which number, but whatever number you are taking, you must be multiplying both the numbers in numerator and denominator. The resulting answer will be your equivalent answer for the given number. Coming to the second part, I will solve 2 parts. Rest 1 part I will leave for you so that you can try it yourself. What you are supposed to do, you will write the line which is given here. On multiplying numerator and denominator of 5 divided by minus 3 by non-zero rational numbers 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively, we get 5 divided by minus 3 into 2 divided by 3 minus 3 into 2 will be 10 by minus 6. 5 into 3 and minus 3 into 3 will give me 15 by minus 9. 5 into 4 minus 3 into 4, 20 by minus 12, and 5 into 5 divided by minus 3 into 5 will give me 25 by minus 15. Again we will write the same line which we have written. The 4 4 equivalent rational numbers to the given number are 10 by minus 6, 15 by minus 9, 20 by minus 12, and 25 by minus 15. Hope you have understood how to write 4 equivalent rational numbers. Whether they have given you 2 rational numbers, then you are supposed to multiply the 2 numbers only. This is how we can solve this question. Hope you have understood both the questions, that is question number 2 and 3 perfectly. If not, please go through it once and please go through it thoroughly. Don't skip the videos so that you can understand properly. We will meet with new question in new video. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.